We left Cape Canaveral and sailed down the ICW to Fort Pierce. Our neighbors welcomed us to the Anchorage, and soon we were off exploring the area. We still needed to plan our passage through the Gulf Stream to the Bahamas. But why spend our day planning when we can have some fun, right?
Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's a diver. They've got dive fins on.
What if they're practicing?
What if they are practicing? There's still someone in the water. Where are they going?
It's awful. Maybe we'll get 4 or 5 hours of not doing circles, spinning, whatever it is, anchor alarms.
I just feel like there's... It's like this is our best option right now, and it's not even a good option.
We have another day and another night of this, 2 nights and another day.
You still want to do this?
I mean, obviously we have to. I've prepared for something for so long and then quit in the first week, but sake. Oh. Four more hours till the current shifts, the wind picks up, and we don't get to sleep all night. We endured 3 days and nights of misery while Shanto took a beating. The effects of strong wind and contradicting currents on our anchorage was a lesson we could never learn in sailing school. Our bridle wedged into the bow thruster, leaving us no choice but to cut it out, while our chain grinded down the hull as Shanto danced in circles for days. But Mandy had had enough of this lesson and demanded we move. Still dealing with 25 to 30 knot winds, we picked up anchorage and headed south for Jensen Beach. There was still plenty of wind, but no currents in our new anchorage. It was Utopia. We need to anchor, and then we can go around to Abago. So, alright, so then...
You know what, too? Like, the Bimini, when we looked at the charts for Bimini, it didn't seem like there was a lot of wind or like a lot of protection. But here, it looks like the only place that you could anchor would be right here, but it's right out of the inlet.
Yeah, the currents will be ripping. I've been in that inlet before. Over the next few days, we licked our wounds and resumed planning our Gulf Stream crossing. We could only hope there'd be no more lesson. Tomorrow it is.
I'm so unhappy about it.
Everything on the boat so that we can go to bed soon. Alright, so let's just get the lines, get the flag, get everything set up, get a route out of here in the morning.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of the route. Oh, I remember this thing. Nobody?
I guess.
not bad. It's not bad at all. Were you scared?
I'm nervous. I get scared when stuff like the autopilot goes through my feet. That scares me. Then, well, because you have the bars right there, and then just.
I'm alright now that we're going. Like once we get to it, I stay focused on what we need to do. And then I don't really think about it a whole lot. It's really leading up to it that's
Right?
super nerve-wracking.
That's what I was saying. We're trying to put across last night.
Where's that little dot right there? Right in the yellow. Bing! But we're getting ready to like taper off a little bit. Like that's 3 knots right here, 3.5 knots.
Yeah.
And then we'll taper off here. Yeah, this isn't bad. Like we picked a pretty good day to go sailing. Sailing with our motor. But I don't think we could ask for better oceans for our first time. The only thing I'm worried about a little bit is just pulling into port in another country that I've never been to.
Yeah.
Like, I can't help but always have a little anxiety for that. I've been thinking about that for many years. Just going into other countries.
That's hard to say 3 times.
Get on the charts for me. We're about 3/4 mile out. Did it. Right. All right.
We made it, Father.
We made it. After years of planning, we found ourselves in the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas. But my mind kept going back to that Anchorage when our neighbor came by to check on us. Sensing our low morale, he departed with these words. This is Neptune weeding out the weak. Those determined to make it are rewarded, and those that give up will never know what's out there.